Are you struggling to get your website noticed on search engines? Discover the secret to skyrocketing your rankings with these powerful header tag optimization tips. The first step to mastering SEO is using proper header tag structure. This ensures better crawlability, indexing, and ultimately higher rankings. Your H1 tag is crucial. It should sum up the general topic of your content and contain your primary keyword. Remember, only one H1 tag per page. Multiple H1 tags can confuse search engines about your main topic. Your H2 tags should define subtopics, breaking your content into digestible chapters. Place your primary keyword in the first H2 subheader to confirm its relevance and boost your rankings. Include an H2 tag for every target keyword. This helps search engines understand and categorize your content. Optimize your H3 tags with keyword variations, synonyms, and semantically related words to enhance topical relevance. Avoid keyword stuffing in H3 tags. Over-optimization can harm your SEO efforts. H4 to H6 tags don't significantly impact SEO, but can improve user experience if used wisely. Front-load your SEO keywords in header tags. This strategy helps search engines quickly identify your content's relevance. Keep your header tags concise. H1 tags should be under 70 characters, while H2 and H3 tags should be under 60. Target featured snippets by matching your first H2 heading to the primary search query. Answer the query directly below the H2 header in the format rewarded by search engines. For lists, use 5 to 10 H3 tags with subtopics supporting the H2 heading. Add keyword-optimized images next to your headings. This confirms keyword relevance and improves visibility. Ensure images are properly compressed and formatted for quick loading. Use descriptive file names, alt text, and metadata for images to enhance SEO. Avoid repeating keywords in multiple images to prevent keyword stuffing penalties. Following these header tag optimization tips can significantly improve your website's search engine rankings and traffic. Unlock the full potential of your website with these SEO strategies and watch your rankings soar.